again, as far as the standards are concerned, it will be floated back again. So that will be within 3 months' time. Okay,
And sir,
all the other, basically the review meeting was taken on all the other plants which are there, for different plants are there. Just taken a stock of them.
आणि सर
Engineering plant जातलोच.
आणि कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर सर थोडे एम्पॅनल्ड करपाचे आशिल्ले वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट थ्रू
चालू I think 1st February is the day. I think the last day of the tender process.
So all issue has been solved regarding the buying.
Because the opposition group asle no local level.
See, there is no question of where, as far as the opposition is concerned. Bangini plant has been even cleared by the Supreme Court. So all all the process has already been followed as far as the plant is concerned. Now there was some delay as far as the tendering process. Last tender, I think, it was some 3 years back. So that is the reason, since as far as the rates and all has escalated, that's the reason the fresh tender will be taken.
पण तो local MLA असा तो मातसो oppose करतालो.
This is basically benefit for everyone. So let us not go on a particular MLA or something like that. This will be beneficial for full Tiswadi area itself.
Re-tender जातलो म्हणले बाबूश
Re-tender जातलो. And by within 3 months' time, all this process will be ready.
Thank you.
So how
by when it will be ready?
3 months.
See, let us not create simply a problem when there is no problem at all. This issue basically has been dealt by all the courts. Okay, so and I'm saying telling you, this will basically be beneficial for all throughout Tiswadi.
But nearby retail structure is there also.
See, all these things have been taken care of. So there is the reason I'm saying all these things has been taken care of. They have all these complainants basically has gone to the court. Courts has basically decided there is certain norms which has got to be adopted. All those things will be taken care of.
Public hearing जातले बाबूश, public hearing घेवचे पडटले.
जाऊन
जावचे पडटले नाका.
Public hearing जाऊन सगळे process चालू झालेलो आहा. So this is only as far as the tendering process is concerned. That is the which is pending. Tender, it will be I think it should take at least 2 years basically for the completion of the plant. But this I think before August actually the work should start.
What will be the cost of the project now? Accelerated rates after that?
No, now that accelerated rate they will take up. So they will prepare the estimate. I think estimate must be already prepared. It is only as far as the fresh tender to be issued.
So what is the status of Sansoda?
Sansoda, there is no issue as far as Sansoda is concerned.
But it's the smell at the लोकांक त्रास जाता.
तुम गेलो तुम पहिला पळय न्हू. You just see that. I think you can go sit down there, have food also there, and not even a fly will come.
आता problem ना म्हणता तुम्ही काय
No, you just check for yourself. Then you have to expect.
New plants.
Only this plant which are one is there, one will be in Nuve. As far as this thing is concerned, where is that Verna plant. That plant will come up.
For biomedical waste there will be.
Biomedical waste, there is already a plant.
So any new one?
No.
बाबू तो डेब्रिसा खातीर कितें हाडपाचें आशिल्लें पळय.
Also the plant कितें जालें, there was one issue there. गेले फाटी the Bicholi मध्ये.
हय.
So now they are trying to shift it in somewhere in 2A or something. Now see, the moment I say something, then I don't back again all the activists and all coming to object. So let us start. Something should start somewhere.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.